Today we're going to show you a quick and easy way to put together a watering system for your chickens. It goes together really quick, makes it easy to fill from the outside, stays clean. You're going to like this.
All right, so obviously we need water for the chickens, and we'll do the same right here on the side for the rabbit colony. But we're using a black tote, minimize any algae growth in there. We're going to put some bold spouts on this side, and we're going to drill a 3/8 hole through the tank. 3, one in the middle, one on the left, on the right, and they'll be able to drink water. So we're just going to drill it through. We'll be able to fill it on the outside. Chickens will have access on the inside. So.
Okay. We put cinder blocks at the bottom, solid, to get it up off the ground a little bit, because you want to put your spouts as low to the bottom of the tank as possible.
I need a bowl. Go ahead and give me 3 of those bowls. Can't pass it through. I think what we're gonna have to start doing anytime we do a work day, we're just gonna take everything out. Yeah, man, I tell you what.
You see the water starting to come in. Basically, when it's up, see, as the weight of the water fills it, it pushes it down, closes the valve. So when they drink it, it'll open back up automatically, fill back up. When it fills back up with water fresh, closes the valve by the weight of the water in the cup.
Yeah, that's good. And then we'll pick you up on the way home.
Alright, I think we've figured out how to use the water fountain. There was a bunch of them not really using it. And they were hot and thirsty and inside, so I filled their water thingies and I put them on the ground in between each of the little spouts. And so they ran to it for water and got overcrowded, and then started realizing there was water around it. And so now they're drinking out of the cups. When they run out of their regular water, they'll go to it and drink from the cups. So now they know.